much you dey sell? I go take it.
Traveling is definitely one of my hobby. I get very excited anytime I want to travel, and it helps me cool my head, change of environment, like it rejuvenates me. And I actually see great in me because he's always excited about traveling as well. Soon after, we settled in, and great help himself buckle like you can see now.
Hey guys, we're in the airplane. Are you almost done?
No, we've not taken off yet. You're very much welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking in.
Hey guys, so we are about leaving for Lagos right now. I have so Kindred, what do you have to say?
Hey guys, we're in the airplane.
Going to where? Where are you going?
We are taking off.
You're taking off? To where?
To step down.
Okay. I'll talk to you guys when we get to Lagos, okay? So he has buckled up. Alright guys, we'll talk later.
2,000 years later.
Hurry up, hurry up. Hey beautiful people, so this is 2 days after we arrived Lagos. You won't believe that in the past 2 days I haven't cooked. Like since I arrived here, I have not cooked. Water has been the issue. Lagosians, I hail you now. Eco people, I hail you now. Especially Lekki, how do you people survive? Like I came screaming. Like the very first night I came, water was actually running. The next day, we went to solo mode. We went to freeze mode. Even getting water to bath was a problem. Please, how do you people cope? Someone complained that one Instagram slay queen was complaining that she buys a lot of pure water and all that. It is no joke. It is true. Anything we want to do, we have to use pure water. Like you have to buy pure water in bags. It's not funny actually. And coming from a place where you use water just as you like, you pump, you use, it's not funny really. It's not funny. So I just came to rant. So this is 2 days later, like I said earlier, and I want to make soup. They just brought water, like the tanker. Apparently, if you're not in Lagos, you may not have an idea of what I'm talking about. So apparently in Lagos, Lekki area specifically, I understand that borehole drilling is a problem. Like you can't get good water from drilling borehole here. Okay, so people resort to buying water in tanks and filling in their GP tanks, and when it's exhausting or when it's exhausted, they refill. So that's what has been happening. They do that, I think, is it twice or thrice in a week? So you can imagine it's not enough. The water is not enough. It never gets enough. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I had to compel my husband yesterday to buy GP tank, like 1,000, is it 1,500 liters of GP tank, which of course you're seeing right now on the screen. All right, so that is going to be connected, and when the general water finishes, I resort to this one until whenever the estate management decides to bring water. So I want to cook now. I have two pots in front of me right now, which I'm going to show you. Ignore the palm oil on my clothes, I beg. In the kitchen I did. So I have this banga pounded already in 2 different pots. Yes, I brought a lot. I don't know, did I show you what I actually came with? I'll just show you a bit anyways. Great, please can you excuse me, let me finish, I'll attend to you. Okay, so this pot is for Banga soup and this other one is for ofakwu, that's Banga stew. This is the situation of water, like you have to hoard water as much as you can. If I see spoon so I go put the water keep. Do you get? All right, so let's get cooking. All right, so we're using hot water right now to wash it. This is so that the oil can actually detach from the shaft. Okay, so yeah, we'll have to use hot water to do this process. Okay, I'll be using this to drain this out. Okay, yeah, so let's go. So I'm done sieving. Like I told you, the bigger pot is for Banga soup, while the smaller pot is for ofakwu. This is just a lot, but I'm going to boil it down. This is the chaff I got out from what I washed, and this is the palm kernel. Okay, so you can see it's washed clean, and of course I have to discard this right now. If to say the village people come and see, man. So in the village, this wouldn't be discarded. This palm kernel will be kept and broken. Children will eat it, adults will eat it. But here, I don't have any space to keep this right now. All right, guys.
I'm heading to the market right now. I'll be using bike because of traffic.
I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The feeling of being on bike and natural breeze blowing you, it's heavenly, seriously speaking. Say this one how much? Yeah. Oh, 1,000 naira. Say 1,000 for this one. This one how much? I beg, no vex, you go sell for me. This one way they do like this. Cost 2,000 naira off for me. Give me 3,000. How much you go sell last? This is one thing that excites me about Lagos market, shaki. The English name is tripe. It's always properly cleaned and washed. There's no time I want to cook in Lagos that I don't buy it. Seriously speaking, I love the way they prepare it. I go fit climb this thing like this. Hey! Don't be small though. How they sell? As you keep on like this, 3,500. Go sell them 2,200.
Because we don't buy this now, I've done for my body. I think it's about the same.
Now how much you sell?
I will say for 2,500.
Albasa now.
Albasa, bucket.
Yeah.
Bucket 3,000.
Wahala deal.
Yes, sir.
3,000 naira for buckets. Banga soup is ready. This Banga soup, it is banging. This soup is called Atama in Akwa Ibom language, in Ibibio language. It is called Atama. You guys can see, just look at it. All the blockades, anything you can think of is in this soup. And here I have my ofakwu, aka Banga stew. You can eat it with white rice or any other thing of your choice.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait, so catch me if I fall.
Hey beautiful people, you've seen my eyes, so dim, so heavy and all of that. We dashed out and like you saw in the earlier clip, I couldn't talk, like I was just sitting down. We went to get something, so we just got back. I thought I should close this vlog. Okay, yeah, so I finished making all the meals, and yeah, this is officially the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. I still dey Lagos, Eco people, Lagos people, where una dey? I don't land like this. I don't land. Please let me go and sleep. It's late, so late in the night, and I'm so tired. I just felt okay, I need to put up this video tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, I'll see you later in my next video, of course. Yeah.